Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Livia Dinur Hajita, NPM 234101095 from class management 23C. Here I will explain the material about the supply chain and demand in digital business. Introduction. In the era of digital transformation, business no longer operate using traditional supply chains. Instead, they rely on a technology-based and data-driven system known as the digital supply chain. The relationship between supply chain and demand in the environmental has become increasingly integrated, dynamic, and customer-focused. In the digital business, companies must respond quickly to change in consumer demand, manage supply efficiently, and maintain seamless coordination among suppliers, producer, distributor, and customer. This integration ensures that the flow of goods, service, and information remains balanced between what the market wants and what the company can deliver. The success of modern digital business such as Amazon, Alibaba, and Gojek depends heavily on how well they align their supply chain operation with real-time customer demand. Next, definition of supply chain and demand in digital business. The digital supply chain refers to a network of interconnected digital systems that manage the production, storage, and distribution of goods and services using advanced technologies such as cloud computing, big data, artificial intelligence (AI), and the Internet of Things (IoT). Meanwhile, demand represents the total market need or desire for a product or service, influenced by customer preference, trends, and purchasing power. In the digital business context, demand is monitored and analyzed through digital tools like online analytics, customer relationship management (CRM), and social media tracking to predict customer behavior accurately. And next, objectives of integrating supply chain and demand. The main objective of integrating supply chain and demand in digital business are: number 1, to ensure real-time synchronization between supply and customer demand. Number 2, aim to improve operational efficiency by reducing waste and overproduction. Number 3, to increase customer satisfaction through timely delivery and availability. Number 4, to enhance data-driven decision-making in forecasting and production planning. Number 5, support business agility, allowing quick responses to market change. Next, number 6, to maintain cost effectiveness and improve profitability through automation. Key components of digital supply chain and demand system. A well-structured digital supply chain and demand system consists of several interconnected components. Number 1, suppliers. Provide raw materials or components needed for production. Next, manufacturer. Transform material into a finished product. Number 3, warehouse and distribution center. Store product and manage logistics. Next, number 4, retail and e-commerce platforms. Sell product directly to consumers. Next, customer. Generate demand and profit feedback. Number 6, digital platform and data system integrate our process through real-time data sharing and analytics. Each component communicates digitally, ensuring that information flows quickly and accurately throughout the network. The role of technology in supply chain and demand management. Technology plays a vital role in connecting supply and demand in digital business. Number 1, artificial intelligence (AI) predict customer behavior, automates inventory management, and optimize logistic routes. Next, big data analytics analyze customer data and market trends to forecast demand accurately. Internet of Things (IoT) provides real-time tracking of goods, equipment, and vehicles. Blockchain ensures transparency, security, and traceability across supply chains. Cording computing enables global collaboration and access to shared data platforms. These technologies create a smart supply chain that can adjust instantly to any demand fluctuation. Relationship between supply chain and demand. In digital business, the relationship between supply chain and demand is interdependent and continuous. Demand data influence every part of the supply chain, from production schedule to delivery planning. Conversely, the efficiency of the supply chains affects how well a company can meet market demand. For example, when online data show increased demand for a specific product, the supply chain system automatically boosts production, updates inventory, and adjusts shipping priorities. If demand decreases, the system reduces production to avoid overstock. This feedback loop creates a demand-driven supply chain which is flexible, responsive, and customer-centered. Challenge in managing digital supply chains and demand. Although digital integration brings many benefits, several challenges still exist. Number 1, data complexity. Managing large amount of data from multiple sources. Number 2, cybersecurity risks. Protecting sensitive supply chain and customer information. Next, supply disruption. Global crises or logistic delays can interrupt delivery. Rapid demand fluctuation. Consumer trends change quickly in the digital era. Integration difficulties, combining all systems with new digital platforms. Skill gaps, lack of IT and analytic expertise among supply chain workers. Addressing these challenges requires continuous adoption and strong digital capabilities. Next, strategies for effective supply chain and demand integration. Companies can apply several strategies to manage digital supply chain and demand effectively. Number 1, implement demand forecasting tools. Use AI and analytics to predict customer needs accurately. Number 2, adopt cloud-based collaboration, connect suppliers, manufacturers, and retailers on one shared platform. Next, number 3, utilize real-time tracking. Monitor goods movement using LOT, sensor, and GPS system. And then, number 4, strengthen cybersecurity, protect data through encryption and access control. Number 5, use automation and robotics, enhance speed and accuracy in warehouse and production lines. Number 6, create flexible supply network, diversify suppliers and logistic channels to reduce risks. Impact of digital supply chain and demand integration. The integration of supply chain and demand in digital business has brought transformative impacts. Number 1, increased responsiveness to market change and customer preference. Next, reduce operational costs through automation and data optimization. Number 3, higher productivity and faster delivery cycles. And next, better customer experience through real-time visibility and assured fulfillment. Number 5, improve sustainability through efficient resource use and reduced waste. And next, number 6, enhance competitive in global markets thanks to agility and innovation. Digital business that manage supply and demand effectively can adapt quickly and stay ahead in a rapidly changing environment. The next material of the conclusion. In conclusion, the integration of supply chain and demand in digital business is the backbone of modern economic success. Both elements are inseparable and must be managed as a unified technology-driven system. The digital era has transformed supply chain management from a traditional linear process into a smart, data-based ecosystem that continuously aligns production and with consumer needs. Companies that adopt technologies such as AI, LOT, big data, and cloud computing can synchronize supply and demand in real time, reduce costs, and provide better service to consumers. Meanwhile, those that ignore digital transformation risk losing competitive in a market that priorities transparency and flexibility. Okay guys, that's all the explanation of the material from me. I end it with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.